Hello kids. Now let's add something to our project, something that our hand is going to pick and drop it somewhere. For that I'm going to get another sprite, and from here let's say what we want to grip. Maybe an ant. Okay, I'm just going to get this ant and make it smaller. It's too big. I can make it smaller from here as well, but it's better I do it like that. Make it smaller. Okay, and put it near the center. Always remember where the center of your object is, because that's where it is going to follow everything. Okay, so I have this ant, so this arm is going to pick this ant and put it somewhere. Okay, simple is that. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to put it somewhere special here. From here the hand is going to pick it up. All right, like that. Let us put it near the hand. Okay, so it can catch it. All right, so this is our position. We can do it 4 0. All right, okay, and from motion I can we need to copy this one, and that's 92 minus 92. Okay, all right, so this is the position it is going to be, and when I am moving my hand it can touch the edge. Okay, I'm just keeping this one for reference so we know where our ant is going. Okay, next thing is that we are going to events get when green flag clicked and from control forever, and we need to use if then else statement as well. Okay, so I'm just going to put this one here. All right, so whatever we are going to do, we are going to do something. If something happens and this arm touches this ant, it is just going to follow it. Okay, and for that remember what we used, go to. All right, go to grip. Okay, so when something will happen it is going to go to the grip. Okay, this is the grip, and with the grip it need to move how many steps? Move 10 steps. Okay, all right, okay, so it is taking the angle of the grip. Okay, so for now it's all right. Remember what we do, point in the direction of arm 1. Okay, so we are going to do this one for our ant as well. Point to the direction from direction of direction of grip. Okay, so let's make it 30, no, minus 30, too many. minus 20. Okay, it is in the hand. All right. So if something happens, it should go to the grip, point in the direction of the grip, and move 20 steps. All right. So what would happen? That we need two controls. Okay. One is that it should be touching. Okay. It should be touching. The mouse should be touching what? Grip. Okay. If it is touching the grip and our grip is grip 2, not grip 1. Okay. So if it is grip 1, it is not going to stay there with the hand. If it is closed, it should go back where it belongs or where its starting point is. Okay. So touching grip means it is touching grip, but the grip is grip 2, not grip 1. Okay. So we don't have like this one here. Okay. Now for that I am going to use here costume name of grip. What is costume name of grip? Okay. If the costume name of grip is okay, so I am going to operators. I'm getting and because we have two conditions here. Okay. And here. Okay. So our costume name of grip is, what was the costume name of our grip? That is grip 2. Okay. So we need the name as grip 2, grip 2. We have to manually write here. Okay. Remember, the spelling should be same. If there is a space, there should be a space. Okay. Let's see on the costume. It is ghost grip space 2. So we have to be exactly right here grip 2 with space. Okay. It should be exactly the same. Okay. So one of the condition is that costume name is cost grip 2 and it is touching the grip. Okay. We can, all right. So we have two conditions here. Okay. When green flag clicked, all right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this one. Okay. We need to stop it and we must right here when green flag click, it should go to this position. Okay. And that position is okay Y54. All right. So I am going to get it from the point and put it here. We have to make it slight difference here. Okay. All right. Now when I'm clicking on it, this ant is gone to a certain position, that is 0 and minus 54 of y. Now I am going to okay. So the hand was grip 2, that is closed, and Okay. Now, when my hand is closed, it is going back to its situation. And if my hand is closed and it is touching the ant somehow, it is not going to grip it. Okay. So it has to be opened. So it is going to grip the ant. Okay. And take it away with it. Okay. Maybe it can throw it somewhere else. All right. So if my hand is closed, that is grip 2, it is not capturing it. But if my hand is open, it is going to capture this ant and it is going to follow it. Alright, so we have just added an ant to our game. So our robot arm can capture it from one place and maybe put it on some other place. That's all for today. Bye bye now. See you in the next module.